In this Ansys Innovation course, we will learn about turbulent external flows. A swimmer pushing through water, flow of air over cars, airplanes, and even a football have one thing in common. It involves the flow of a fluid over a stationary object or the movement of an object through a stationary fluid. Such flows are called external flows. In this course, we will first analyze the different forces exerted by the fluid on an object. We will then study the physics of flow separation, and finally, we will learn about free shear flows such as jets, wakes, and mixing layers. Through multiple hands-on simulation examples and homeworks such as airflow over an airplane wing profile and water flow over a swimmer's head, you will learn about the basics of turbulent external flows using Ansys Fluent.